What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zubair and welcome back to my channel Timeless. I normally make travel like not a vlog, video, whatever you call. But today we're gonna talk about something serious. Today we're gonna talk about coronavirus. So my profession is environment, health and safety. So I deal with a lot of people at work, like 250 people. Everybody's freaking out, So I researched a lot about coronavirus, how it works, what it does when it goes inside the human body. So I thought I figured out a lot of interesting things. So I thought I'm gonna share with you guys how we can prevent coronavirus. Maybe again, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical professional, so this is just my personal research and my personal opinion, okay? So again, there is no prevention for coronavirus yet, but the things I found, I think it may help to prevent to get affected or who already get affected with coronavirus. So I made a little presentation about the coronavirus, and I hope it will help some people. So let's jump into the presentation, and I'm gonna go through the presentation and talk. And if you guys have any comments, any concerns, any questions, any ideas, please comment below. Please share with everybody. It may help somebody else too. So please comment below, like the video if you like the video. Then let's go jump into the presentation. All right, I hope you guys can see properly. So the PowerPoint I made, somehow it got deleted, so I had the video, so I think I'm gonna share this to you guys. So this is the epic coronavirus. So what it does inside our body, when it goes inside our body, right? So it goes inside our body by nose, mouth or eyes. If you touch your eyes, it can go through our eyes. So just keep 6 feet distant from anybody who may be feeling sick a little bit, like maybe coughing, maybe have runny nose. 6 feet distance. After getting inside the body, what happens? So maybe fever, shortness of breath, maybe muscle pain in the back. This is the critical place for head. Normally the head pain goes here, and muscle place like whole body like very tired. So this is the coronavirus structure, and it has these spikes. So what it does is, this is our body surface. So like when it goes through our air vent, it's try to get into our cell, like all the cells in the lung. Okay, so if you look at this picture, this is called RNA, DNA, right? DNA, RNA. So coronavirus has RNA. It's like this needle part, like for example, this is our surface inside, like our surface of our lung or air vent, right? I'll give an easy example. So when we put DVD or CD inside the DVD player, it start reading the DVD, right? And play a song or play a movie, whatever. So the kind of exact thing going in here. So when coronavirus inject this thing inside our body, our cell try to read it, and it gets the information from reading it that I have to produce more of this. So body, like coronavirus hijacked our cell, right? It totally hijacked our cell, and our cell get fooled and get this information and thinks like, okay, I have to reproduce this thing. So our cells start reproducing more coronavirus, like millions and billions of viruses. So what happens when our cells start reproducing a lot, it constantly working, right? This is the lung, and when it goes bad, it goes inside the lung. This is a healthy lung situation going on here, open air vent. When we like, here is open, right? So when our constantly our cells are working, cells die. Like it's working too much and it dies. So the debris like from our dead cell, and this is what happens. Air vent is closed. This is a healthy air vent. This is after the infection. This is after the infection. Everything like stuff inside feels stuck, cannot breathe because the air vent is off, because all this virus, like all our cells like fill with, or like all like that stuff that created from the dead cells and things. So we start breathing problem, chest pain, and then this happens like virus everywhere. It's like, so the new virus they get copied, they start producing more and more. So it's like a continuous process. So our like whole chest just get full of coronavirus. Then if in severe case, patient cannot breathe anymore, so they use this mechanical ventilator for breathing system. If it's get over more and more, multiple organ failure and death. But this is the severe case. Here is the main thing I want to talk, which is this antibody. What is antibody? Plasma cells that is used by the immune system, our immune system, to neutralize pathogens such as pathogenic bacteria and virus. So in easy words, when any outsider bacteria, virus comes inside our body, our antibody try to kill those if it's harmful. So same thing here, right? So if our antibody is not powerful enough, it cannot kill the bacteria or virus. In some cases different, there is some virus that they copy antivirus. So antivirus cannot detect them. It just copy and it wait for its chance. Like when somebody gets sick or something, then the virus tricks activates. So this is our only hope. Our antibody can prevent coronavirus, right? So how can we make it more powerful? Most of the times old people get sick with coronavirus because old person's antibody is not that strong enough, and it gets some kind of sick people too, right? The people are already sick because their antibody is not that strong enough. That's why old people getting sick people getting more affected by coronavirus, right? So how can we make our antibody more powerful? These are the important nutrients that I come up with. These are the most important things that can give your immune system, your antibody full power. Vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, selenium, vitamin D. And I put together what foods has it. You can take some supplements. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, we all know what is vitamin C, right? We all have like normal knowledge about like what food has vitamin C. Lemon juice, good source of vitamin C. Drink lemon juice every day. Lot of other fruits like grapefruit, kiwi is a good source of vitamin C. So eat lot of fruits that will fill your vitamin C lackings and make your immune system more powerful. Second, vitamin E. You can take vitamin E supplements. Almond is a very good source of vitamin E. Olives, good source. Spinach, so I have avocado. It's a very good source of vitamin C and good fat, healthy fat. You can buy avocados and make a good recipe out of it. So spinach is very good source of vitamin E and protein. Vegan protein, very good vegan protein source. Zinc, maybe we are not that much familiar with zinc, but it is very important for proper immune system. So what it does, this all works together, like selenium, zinc, vitamin C. These are all works together and make a strong immune system. So where we can get zinc? Seafood is a good source of zinc. Meat, chickpeas are a very good source of zinc. Oyster is a very good source of zinc. Selenium, maybe we are not that much familiar with selenium, so it's a very important nutrient. And where we can get selenium, this is Brazil nuts. Maybe it's not available everywhere in the world, but yeah, you can get Brazil nuts are a very good source. And another source is shrimp, very good source of selenium. Any seafood, fish with the skin, so those are good sources of selenium. So get shrimp and cook it and eat it. Salmon is a very good source of selenium. Vitamin D, very important. Most of the American people is lacking of vitamin D. So mushroom, very good source of vitamin. Eggs, and I prefer going to mushroom, and I prefer going to sun. Stay in the sun for 10-15 minutes every day. It will help you to get your vitamin D more. So vitamin D is very important. Get broccoli, very good source of vitamin C, other nutrients. And leafy green vegetables, any leafy green vegetables. Cauliflower, very good source of nutrients, very good. I don't eat rice that much anymore. I eat cauliflower rice, beets, carrots, any other, zucchini, squash, any leafy green vegetables are good for your immune system. So I think this is gonna help you guys to get some more better, make your immune system better. Alright, so sorry, my lighting was not that good. It's kind of dark, but I think you guys got the idea, right? What I'm trying to say. So again, only hope we got to prevent coronavirus is our immune system. There is no medicine, nothing. So our antibody is like the only hope how we can prevent, right? So again, I'm gonna go through those again pretty quick. Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, zinc. Anyway, so if you need, rewind this video, write it down and eat those every day. Oh, another important thing, garlic. If you can take some garlic every day, one piece of garlic will help. The foods I mentioned, these are again good foods. It will help you any other way too, right? Again, so I hope in future I can give you something better. And anyway, everyone, please take care, stay with your family, stay safe. This is only one life, we have to take care of it. So everyone, please stay home, stay safe. Bye for today, see you on the next video. Okay, have a good life, take care.